Saw Palmetto. Not many men have actually heard of saw palmetto, which is extracted from the berries of palm trees found in the southeast regions of North America, particularly in Florida. You have the 5-alpha reductase enzyme, which converts your testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, known as DHT, leading to male pattern baldness. And saw palmetto blocks this enzyme, which means you have lower levels of DHT in your bloodstream, so your hair follicles are not miniaturizing or shrinking. Apart from hair loss, saw palmetto is said to make your hair thicker, give it more hair density, as well as reduce shedding, a condition known as telogen effluvium, and can be useful in some women with hair loss. These are all evidenced in studies which you can find in my description section. For example, one study showed that 60% of men had improved hair quality with saw palmetto when used with B-cytosterol, a phytosterol that also lowers cholesterol. Saw palmetto contains fatty acids such as oleic and linoleic acid, as I mentioned, phytosterol such as beta-cytosterol, beta-carotene, vitamin E. But you will notice that when you're buying different products online or over the counter, they all come in different amounts or different ratios. Saw palmetto is thought to be beneficial for men with enlarged prostate, especially if you have frequent urination at nighttime. But again, the evidence is not great, and so you should consult with your doctor before taking saw palmetto, especially if you have symptoms of enlarged prostate or you suspect this might be enlarged prostate. The standard daily dose for saw palmetto for hair loss or enlarged prostate is usually between 320 milligrams, which is taken as a tablet once a day, or 160 milligrams twice a day, up to 960 milligrams, which can be 320 milligram tablet taken 3 times a day. But due to lack of long-term results on effectiveness as well as side effects, it is recommended not to go beyond 3 years when using saw palmetto. Saw palmetto also is topical. It comes in lotion form such as with pumpkin seed oil or rosemary hip oil, but with the lotion form there has not been much studies on effectiveness, unlike the tablet form. Side effects of saw palmetto to look out for are usually mild, like nausea, diarrhea, headaches, and even low libido. But saw palmetto is not recommended in women who are pregnant or trying for pregnancy due to concerns about birth defects, abnormal development of the male genitalia. As you know, DHT is important in the development of male genitalia in the womb. Saw palmetto might also slow down your blood clotting process, so if you're taking blood thinners or you're due for surgery, then make sure your doctor knows that you are taking these supplements, as you would usually be advised to stop at least 2 weeks before surgery due to increased risk of bleeding. It is difficult to know exactly how effective taking saw palmetto is in promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss on its own, as the evidence is not really strong despite the studies, and it has been shown that saw palmetto might work best with other products or other DHT blockers, and it can also take at least 6 months to see real results with hair growth using saw palmetto. But it is a more natural alternative to your finasterides, your minoxidils, dutastarides, as these medications can have real side effects on your body. But if you're going to use saw palmetto either on its own or in combination with another product, or if you're a woman or someone who's already on medication, then please first consult with your doctor to make sure that saw palmetto is the right choice for you. And if you're thinking of buying saw palmetto over the counter, you want to look for high quality supplements, ensure that it has gone third-party testing for safety and efficacy, and make sure that the supplement has the right certification. So in the UK, you want to check for the traditional herbal registration mark known as the THR, and if you're in America, you might look for third-party certification such as USP or NSF to make sure that it's a high-quality supplement. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe.